In a market dominated by trucks and crossovers, Ford is reaching back into its history to bring something uniquely American back to life, the Ranchero. First introduced in 1957 as a coupe utility vehicle that blended car comfort with pickup practicality, the Ranchero left an indelible mark on automotive culture. Now, in 2025, Ford has revived this legendary nameplate with a modern twist. Enter the all-new 2025 Ford Ranchero, a small unibody pickup that bridges the gap between compact utility and everyday drivability. Design, retro hints, modern execution. The 2025 Ranchero doesn't try to copy its ancestors, it pays homage to them while charting a bold new course. The design features a car-like front fascia with signature Ford grille elements, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines that make it feel more like a lifted crossover than a traditional truck. The overall proportions are tighter and more refined than a mid-size pickup, but with enough bed space to be functional. Its roofline and silhouette give subtle nods to the original Ranchero, while modern touches like hidden rear door handles, blacked-out pillars, and aerodynamic wheels bring it firmly into 2025. Platform and dimensions. Built on the same platform as the Ford Maverick and Escape, the new Ranchero is a unibody pickup, prioritizing comfort and fuel efficiency without sacrificing utility. It slots just under the Maverick in terms of size, making it ideal for urban drivers or those who want truck versatility without the bulk. Expect a total length just under 200 inches, a 4.5-foot bed with integrated storage compartments, and a payload capacity of around 1,500 pounds, more than enough for weekend DIY projects, bikes, camping gear, or garden supplies. Interior, compact, smart, and practical. Inside, the Ranchero embraces a smart, no-nonsense layout. The cabin is available in two configurations: a two-seater base model geared toward commercial use and a more upscale four-door variant for everyday drivers. Materials are durable but stylish, with options for recycled cloth or faux leather seating. The dashboard features an 8 to 12-inch infotainment screen powered by the latest S1C5 software, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless updates. Storage is cleverly integrated throughout, from under-seat bins to modular cup holders and a flat-folding rear seat setup. It's designed to be a workhorse Monday through Friday and an adventure partner on weekends. Powertrain options. The 2025 Ranchero comes with multiple powertrain choices, offering something for everyone. The base model features a 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine delivering around 250 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. For those looking for efficiency, a hybrid variant borrowed from the Maverick offers over 40 miles per gallon in the city. And for buyers who need a bit more capability, an optional AWD version brings improved traction and towing, up to 4,000 pounds, depending on configuration. While there's no electric Ranchero at launch, Ford has hinted at a plug-in hybrid or even full EV model in the next couple of years. Tech and safety. Ford packed the Ranchero with modern tech to appeal to younger buyers and fleet customers alike. Standard features include lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. Higher trims offer a 360-degree camera system, built-in trail navigation, and even a bed-mounted power outlet system for tools or tailgates. Remote start, smartphone-based locking, and an optional sunroof add to the vehicle's versatility and user appeal. The Ranchero is also compatible with Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free driving tech on select highway routes, a first for this segment. Market position and pricing. Ford is aiming the Ranchero at a sweet spot in the market, budget-conscious drivers who want pickup capability without a full-size truck price or footprint. It's designed to attract city dwellers, tradespeople, young adventurers, and even small businesses. With a starting price expected around $23,000, it undercuts much of the competition while offering genuine utility and style. Higher trims with AWD and tech packages could push the price into the low $30,000 range, still significantly below a typical mid-size truck. A new kind of pickup. The 2025 Ford Ranchero isn't trying to compete with the F-150 or even the Ranger. Instead, it's carving its own lane. It's perfect for those who love the idea of a truck but don't want the size, fuel costs, or stiff ride. It's nimble enough for city driving, versatile enough for rural weekends, and affordable enough to appeal across demographics. Whether you're hauling furniture, loading up on plants at the garden center, or heading out on a road trip, the Ranchero is built to handle it all, without looking or feeling like a traditional pickup. Final thoughts: the legend returns. With the 2025 Ranchero, Ford has breathed new life into a nameplate that many thought would remain a relic of the past. It captures the spirit of the original, a blend of utility and comfort, while offering everything today's drivers expect: tech, safety, efficiency, and style. In a market that's constantly expanding and evolving, the Ranchero doesn't just fill a niche, it creates one. Whether you're drawn in by the retro name or the practical appeal, one thing is clear: the Ranchero is back, and it's ready to ride again.